SKYWARS without the keycaps. Oh, no, no, no! I feel like a literal grandpa playing this. No, no, Steve, why? I took off all the keycaps on my keyboard and here's how it went. Okay, I can't lose this. This feels so wrong in so many ways. Oh god, where's shift? Spacebar? Hello? It's okay, we're just gonna slow bridge. We're gonna take this a little. Ugh. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. I'm playing like a noob. Shoot, I can't shift click. Hello? There's somebody right here. Yes, die. Oh god. Oh god. They're stronger. Oh god, there's too many people over here. Okay, diamond helmet. That's good. That's good. We're doing pretty well on armor. Oh god, no, 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 no. Die, please. No! Oh, I love this map. The little sheepy sheep guys. Look at just look at them, okay? How can you not love this map? I feel like a literal grandpa playing this. I literally cannot move. Oh god. No, no, Steve, why? Alright, this time we are not dying to a Steve, okay? Somebody's gonna definitely snowball me off. Alright, we're just gonna slow bridge, slow. I can't jump! You know what, we're just gonna ignore that last death, you know, this is gonna be different. I'm just gonna bridge, okay? Don't look at me. Alright, jump. Jump, okay, we jumped. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this guy, okay, and he decided to die? That's wonderful. Okay, he's bridging up, Okay. That's okay. Ah, no! I'm just gonna go down. Yeah, that's too much. Alright, I'll wait for him over here. You know what? It's okay. Yes. Yes, my man. No, off the edge you go! Off! Yes, okay. Does he have that golden apple? No, he ate that last minute. Darn. There's 5 players left. I definitely need some better armor. Oh god. Please get away, sir. He's got a good sword. That has fire aspect on that. I don't want to mess with that man. Alright, I'm just gonna bridge underneath over here. Alright. I hope no one sees my— Ah! Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna camp this time. I don't even care anymore. I'm just gonna camp. Just stay away. Please, just stay away from me. I have nothing. I'm harmless. Please. Why is there fire here? This is some very cursed fire. Oh my god. Please just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Do I even have a pickaxe? Have I just trapped myself here? There's 3 players left. Yo, if I actually win using this, am I actually a camper now? You know what? I think I might be a good camper. I've literally done nothing this entire game and yet here I am about to win. Yo, get out. They're teaming. They're literally teaming. This is so scuffed. This is actually a good map to build like, a little house and be a camper, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's just go ahead and start building like a little outer rim, like a little pen. And then of course we're going to need to build like a little roof so we can block ourselves in. This might just be the best strat. You know what would be really nice? Do I have any sort of like lava bucket I can make a trap with? Oh my gosh, I do. I really do. Lava. If anybody tries coming in, they're just gonna get destroyed with lava over there. Oh god, please don't burn. No! I wish I had more stone. No. Please don't burn. Please don't burn. I don't want to die. Okay, this is fine. Oh god, there's a backside too. Alright, we're just gonna build like a smaller barrier. We're facing Birdman and this other guy, so, you know, I think I can take down a Birdman. Oh my god, Birdman! Birdman's right there! Oh god. Please fall in my trap, Birdman. Ah! My camera just fell down, so this is very scary. I'm gonna continue because I've gotten so far already. Chest refilled, I think, while I was figuring the situation out. There's 3 people left. They're probably getting stacked. There's another lava bucket. Should I just trap myself in with the other lava bucket? Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm literally trapped inside a burning SKYWARS house, and now what am I supposed to do next? What am I doing? Birdman's just contemplating what's happening. Birdman, please, spare me. Spare me? What? Which one is P? Which one is P? Oh shoot. Ah, I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. No. No, Birdman, why? Why must you do this to me? I thought we were friends, Birdman. Okay, this one's a pretty sweaty map in my opinion. So we're gonna go right away. We're just, you know, we're gonna get this over with. We're gonna PvP this man. I killed him. I'm gonna run away because now there's another guy. Oh god, he got the good stuff. Okay, we're okay. Oh god, we're not okay. We're not okay. Alright, I'm just gonna stay back a little bit and probably just shoot people. Yeah, shooting people is fun. I love shooting sweats. It's kind of cute, not gonna lie. Did he really think I was gonna jump that exact? You know what, I've just had enough.